And all the folks that I've been so privileged to work with. Lois, do you want to come up too?
Yes.
So these wonderful folks here, my left and my right, are the ones that have the experience, because, you know, I thought, well, geez, I'm a judge, I got to know about these things. I found out in many ways I was clueless on so much, and with the experience and the help of this drug court team, I think, you know, we've been successful. So I want to thank everyone here, and you've just done a great job, and I'll miss working with you guys, believe me. And I may stop in, you know, and just sit in once in a while, along with the participants, not with the team. So,
well, Judge, we're not done with you yet. Because you too, Judge, have had charges filed against you. But because of your successful completion of this drug court process, you are graduating not just from drug court, from being a judge also. But I'd like to read the motion that's been filed in the Common Pleas Court and signed by your successor, Judge Yost. Now comes the state of Ohio by and through its counsel, Nicholas A. Roche, the duly qualified, elected, and acting prosecuting attorney for Ashtabula County, Ohio, and hereby states the following. The defendant, Alfred W. Mackey, was one of the primary persons who established and developed the Ashtabula County Drug Court, one of the first certified specialized dockets in the state of Ohio. The defendant, Alfred W. Mackey, has been the only judge of the Ashtabula County Drug Court since its inception. The defendant, Alfred W. Mackey, assumed an enormous amount of additional work, responsibility, on top of the already daunting obligations of a common pleas court judge in Ashtabula County by implementing and being the drug court judge for the past several years. 4. The defendant, Alfred W. Mackey, as an innovator in establishing a local drug court, and as the drug court judge, has personally affected significant positive change in the lives of countless individuals whose addictions resulted in a cycle of criminal behavior. As a result of the defendant, I'm having a hard time reading this. As a result, I'm not going to look at you. As a result of the defendant Alfred W. Mackey's actions, the Ashtabula County Drug Court has united the judicial, law enforcement, and treatment communities and other social and public services through rigorous case management to address a participant's overall needs, including education, housing, job training, and/or mental health referral. The many success stories of graduates of the Ashtabula County Drug Court illustrate the positive results of such coordination and the defendant Alfred W. Mackey's actions. The defendant, Alfred W. Mackey, has previously pled guilty in this court to the charges of volunteerism, innovation, putting others above himself, seeing the good in those who are troubled, and giving hope to the hopeless. Wherefore, Nicholas A. Roche hereby moves to dismiss with prejudice those charges that are now pending and to which he's pled guilty.
okay, knock it out. This has been probably the most rewarding thing that I've done in the year, certainly as a judge, and maybe in my whole life, because with this team and these folks who have been such great assistance, yeah, I think we've saved a few lives and made reunions with families and custody of children, and didn't you love it when Tyree's daughter walked up to me?
Oh, yes.
So I'm just very pleased with that, and I'm sure my successor, Judge Yost, will provide with the aid of the drug court team, the same sort of successful outcome for the future graduates. So thank you very much. Good luck to you.
One more little thing. The judge is graduating. Also. He has a graduation certificate for successfully completing all requirements of the Ashtabula County Drug Court. Issued today, signed by your pals.
Okay. Why don't we have a little party now?